Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Roblox white screen problem. Easy and quick. If you want to fix it, it's easy. All you need to do first, just right click on Roblox and then click properties. After that, go to compatibility, and once you're here, click change settings for all users. And now you will find like that. Just enable this option and this option and this one, the last option here, and then click Windows 8, apply and OK again. And after that, type here background apps. Now turn off all those applications here, and after that, open task manager, right click here and open task manager, and make sure to turn off and to close all the applications in the background like Google Chrome. It takes a lot of your memory, and that's it. Right click on it and in task. I hope that can help you. Don't forget to like, and see you in the next video.